All free TV UK channels. Look at all this. Just get yourself an Android box and sign up. There's my box. Cost $60. Movies, TV shows. See what they got for TV shows. Movies. My Man Godfrey. What a show that was. 1936. It's like a bunch of old movies. Oh, there was science fiction. Vincent Price, The Last Man on Earth. Teenagers from Outer Space. What a show. The Curse of Bigfoot. There you go. But you can always watch the Film Channel. Look at all these channels. Popular. Free to view. They're all there. You don't need a subscription. They give you 1 year free. You have to sign up and put in
Richard, Iceland isn't the only
put in a fake UK address, and they give you 1 free year subscription.
But, this app and its sort of super sensitivity.
What's she talking about? Good Morning Britain.
Some challenges with the numbers of
STV. So there you have it. Get yourself an Android box. Signing off.